This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Boat smartwatch with your phone. First, you need to download the official Boat smartwatch application from your phone's App Store. You can find this essential app on both Android and iOS platforms. Make sure your phone's operating system is up to date for the best experience, usually Android 8.0 or iOS 13.0 or newer. This initial step is absolutely crucial for a smooth pairing process. Next, ensure Bluetooth is active on both your smartphone and your Boat smartwatch. On your phone, simply open the settings and toggle Bluetooth on. For your smartwatch, access the settings menu directly on the watch face and enable Bluetooth there. Keep both devices relatively close, ideally within a few feet of each other, to facilitate a strong and reliable connection. This proximity helps avoid any connection interruptions. Now, open the Boat smartwatch application you just downloaded on your phone. You may need to quickly create an account or log in if you already have one. This usually takes about a minute or two. Once inside the app, navigate to the section that allows you to add a new device or pair a new watch. This step prepares the app to search for your nearby smartwatch. The app is your central hub for managing your device. Now it is time for the final, crucial fry to achieve that ultimate crunch. Reheat the same oil to a higher temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the sliced bagnet pieces back into the very hot oil. Fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they achieve a deep golden brown color and a distinct, very crispy sound. The skin should be bubbly and crackling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.